think about how often this happens. You see something valuable, you snap a photo, and you tell yourself, I'm gonna organize this later. But the fact is, you never do. Not because the information isn't useful, but because in a busy day, there's just no time for that. Well, now you don't have to. Xmind can turn any image into a structured, editable mind map instantly. Whether it's a lecture slide, a meeting whiteboard, or a screenshot of a mind map you found, just drop it into Xmind and it takes care of the rest. Here's how it works. Upload your photo, add a prompt if you like, or just hit generate. Then Xmind will turn it into a clear, organized mind map in seconds. And even for images without a single word, like a photo of your dog or a plant you found on a hike, Xmind AI understands what it sees and builds a knowledge map for you. From lecture notes to random photos, Xmind turns what you see into clear, structured thinking. Try Image to Mind Map in Xmind.